Uh, yes, okay, sure.
Sure.
So, yeah, let me
We are
start it
live.
officially. Yeah. So, hello everyone. I welcome you all to this GMeet, which is basically the course guidance session for diploma and degree level. Uh, we have our host Lalit Kumar sir. Uh, Everyone knows him. I hope everyone knows him. So, he's our instructor, mentor, senior. Everyone likes him. Me too. So we have organized this session so that we can guide you to so that we can guide you to pursue which courses in your this upcoming term, so that you can select them properly and it can help you in your academic journey. So yeah, I guess we can start then. Over
Uh,
to you, sir.
Aditya, so we do
Yeah,
have two more guests with us.
yeah,
Let
we do have. अरे आ
yeah,
गए क्या?
yes.
Okay.
uh, so hi Abhijit, hi Afreen, and hi Lalit sir.
Hi,
Uh,
hi.
uh, Great to see you guys again in Sundarbans G meets. Right, it's really great, having you back, and thanks a lot for taking time for these sessions. Right. So, Lalisa was starting, going to, was explaining these PPTs, right? And once the introduction or the initial part will be over, I guess it will take 15 to 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Then we'll start taking the doubts, the queries. So this is the, possible flow of the session. Uh, Guests, is it fine? Been Abhijit and Lalit?
Yeah, yeah, fine.
Yes.
Cool. So over to you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Hi, good evening, everyone. So first of all, thanks a lot, Manu and Aditya. And I was in Gear House. So presently, while doing MTech, also I'm in Gear House. But now as an instructor, I belong to all the houses. Okay. So again, thanks a lot for inviting me and for asking me to give my perspective. So like I mentioned earlier, so I have divided this session in two parts. So first part will be the guidance for the students who have entered the diploma level, and thereafter then we'll go to the next part, which will be for the students who have entered the degree level. Okay, now coming to the diploma level, we have got two diplomas: data science diploma and programming diploma. So like what has been shown on the screen is the data science diploma. So I will tell you that there are four core subjects, four courses, core courses here, which you have to pay attention and you have to get your fundamentals very very clear, because those fundamentals, they will help you in the degree level. Number one, they will help you during your placements, because most of the questions will come from machine learning foundations, machine learning techniques, and machine learning practice. Okay, so now starting, we have got six courses in the data science for diploma. First is the business data management. The most challenging thing in this course is the project. Okay, the theoretical part is easy. You all can do it very well. You just have to attend the uh, video sessions, and theory part, straight away the questions, they come from the slides. But the earlier the challenge was to collect the data from the real world businesses. So now from this term, IIT Madras, they have changed their policy, and now we can collect the data from online sources also, for example, Kaggle, or from some other data sets, and we can do our analysis. But to share with you, while doing this project, the kind of skills which you will use and the learning which you will gain, it will help you a lot. Because remember, wherever you are working, every business, they look for monetary benefits. What are you bringing to the table? Okay, so this is the core business data management. You go anywhere as a data analyst, data scientist, or machine learning, anywhere, they will see what value you are bringing to that company. So this course is especially suited for building that mindset, that how you can solve real world problems. And the real world problems can be as mundane as giving a solution to your vegetable shopkeeper, that weekly person, that person who sells vegetable on sitting on the ground. You can analyze that data also, and you can give him some solutions through which he or she can enhance his or her business. So that is the core. The project is the core. So do it sincerely. Go through the capstone projects. The IIT Madras keeps on publishing. You will get ideas from there. So first find the problem statement, then make a path how you will solve it. Okay, so that is the core of business data management. The project is the part which will take time from you. Business analytics, it is an easy course. You just grasp the concepts, learn the formulas, and you can easily sail through. Tools in data science, of late, this course has evolved. And now in this also, I believe there is a project or some real world examples are there where you have to use the LLM models or you have to use the AI agents. So this course will also give you, very, very good real world exposure to learn. So do this course. And like I mentioned earlier, machine learning foundations will start with mathematical foundations behind all the machine learning models. Then come to machine learning techniques. Again, the mathematical foundations for all the models: linear regression, SVM, logistic regression, decision trees. And then in the machine learning practice, they will cover majority of the models along with their hyperparameters. The lectures will look boring, but I'm telling you, they are the one of the best material which are available on this subject anywhere. The flip side is that they don't cover all the models. Okay, so this is just an exposure to you. Similarly, the project which you will do, either it will be a classification problem or it will be a regression problem. In our times, it was a classification problem. So the flip side is that you are doing only one project. So if you are looking for an internship based on this diploma only, then you have to at least participate in one Kaggle regression problem and one Kaggle classification problem. You have to be proficient in all the steps of a machine learning model. It starts from loading the data, filling the data, EDA, then feature engineering. One by one, again, you do the EDA to fill the NaN values, find out the outliers, take a decision whether I have to discard the outlier or you have to keep that outlier. It will depend on the problem. After that, then you do the scaling. So for that also you can do a pipeline. Then you split the data into train and test. So if you're looking for a role as a data scientist, then these three: machine learning foundation, technique, and practice, it is mandatory. And you don't have to stop here. Please remember, this is just a beginning. IIT Madras is just exposing you to this fantastic world. Thereafter, you have to be, regular on Kaggle. Keep on participating in the, competitions. If you're participating, you can go to the earlier competitions also. Like for regression, I will recommend Boston Housing Prediction. It is one of the best competition on Kaggle. Go through the top 10 or 20 notebooks. See what those notebooks they have got. So that is the crux of data science diploma. Manu, I'll request you to kindly go to the next slide for the programming side. In case anybody has got doubt on this part, they can ask the questions.
I have a question here.
Yes, yeah, please.
Uh, do we need to, for the first program, business data management, do we need to do the project along with the theory? Is it better, or if we can do it separate?
Okay,
In,
okay, yeah, okay, Jay, I have got the your query. So see, in this entire diploma, you have got three projects. One is in BDM, another I believe is in tools in data science, and third is in the MLP. BDM, I will suggest that you can do if you have got some prior experience of using the data science or using the Excel sheets. I did my entire project by the help of Excel sheet. Excel has got almost all the features which you can use. Okay, so it depends on you, your prior experience, how comfortable you are. Then it will depend on the problem statement. But if you feel that I will do theory first and then do project, that is also okay. I will
Okay.
strongly recommend to all the MLP people that do the theory first and then do the project. Okay, that because in MLP theory, first of all, you will come to know about the models. And once you know the theory, then only go for the project. Then you will be confident, then you'll be understanding each and every part of your notebook, what you're doing. Otherwise, copying and pasting, it doesn't make any sense. Like I mentioned earlier, these are the core, these are the core of this entire program. If you want to become a data scientist, these are your first initial steps for that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Saha, Sneha, Ganshu Saha.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Yes, sir. Actually, new course of deep learning and AI has been added to the data science diploma,
Um,
yes,
and business analytics has been
mhm.
subtracted. And so, if I want to go with it and follow within 3 SEMs or 4 SEMs, if I have to finish it, how do I do it? Then please advise, or how
okay, okay,
how to
okay,
complete both diplomas. I have no knowledge of programming in the programming side. I have some knowledge in the data science.
okay. I've got your query. So, see, the fastest route to complete both the diplomas is by taking 4 courses in every term, and then you can complete both the diplomas, in 1 year. So that is the fastest. But like you mentioned that we have introduced one new course, Introduction to Deep Learning. What we realized that we were giving exposure to deep learning to the students in the degree level. Whereas many students, they were quitting after diploma, and when they were going for the internships, the people, they ask you questions on the deep learning. That is the precise reason due to which we have included this. So Introduction to Deep Learning. So deep learning will take time. Uh, I will say
Okay.
you have to devote some time to understand the concepts. Initially, the 4 weeks, how the forward chain. So I will advise everyone, those who are thinking to take the deep learning introduction course, that utilize this break time. Okay, please understand what are neural networks, how they work. And once you understand them, they are the basics after which everything builds on that. Your large language
Okay.
models will build on that. Your deep learning practice will build on that. Then we have got a deep learning,
Thank
course itself in the degree level. So please understand the fundamentals. Utilize your break time to understand the neural network. It is very easy, I'm telling you. Once you understand that, then it will come naturally to you. Okay, it is nothing rocket, no rocket science, very easy, forward, and only the challenging part is understanding the back propagation, how the loss flows back. So I have got my YouTube channel. I have uploaded some videos in that explaining the back propagation, including the notes, or you can go to any online resources wherever you find. Utilize the break time, okay, to understand that. So get a head start in that topic. I hope I was able to answer your query.
Sir, one thing, sir, within 6 terms, I want to finish the 2 diplomas, and I will try to complete the data science part, but near in a faster way. Then, please give me a correct solution.
Okay, okay,
I'm not able to, because you
okay.
see many are advising me MLT and MLF is bad.
Yeah.
Then,
Okay,
so
okay. I've got your query. I've got the context. So what I'll advise you. So let's first go through both the diplomas, and then we will take the individual questions, because see, these combinations, they depend on the personal background, how many terms you are planning. So that we will do. For example, you want to take 6 terms. Somebody might be planning to do in 4 terms. So those kind of questions we will take later on. Initially, we will have a general discussion, so we can give clarity to a wider audience. Is that okay?
yes, sir.
Okay, good. Hi, Uditya. Yeah.
Good evening, sir. So I wanted to ask two questions. First is, how do prerequisites and core requisites works? Is it compulsory to have a core requisite as mentioned, or can we those are just guidelines? And secondly, 2 tracks have been introduced in the diploma in data science. So can we pursue both the tracks, or we have to choose one? For example, I like one course from one track and one from other. So I can choose, or I have to choose two together. Thank you.
Okay, so the first query, prerequisites, they are mandatory. So these are not guidelines. Okay, like for MLP, your MLT, MLF, they are prerequisites. You cannot do directly MLP. Okay, the routes which have been given to you, they are the guidelines. You can choose your own route also. Okay, like for example, somebody can decide I will take 2 data science and 2 programming in every term. Okay, one I will take, or otherwise, okay, first I will finish my diploma in data science. Okay, so it depends on your personal route which you choose. So you can have that. I hope I answered your query.
So what about core requisites? That is more
Core
confusing.
requisites, like, can you give me an example, please?
So for example, DB, SM, and MAD have like
Okay,
MAD
yeah,
has core requisite. So do I
yes,
have to
yes.
do both of them
So,
together?
okay, so we have not come to the programming side. Once we come to the programming slide, I will explain that to you. DBMS is mandatory for MAD 1 and MAD 2. Okay.
Yes, I get that, but are, like that is the question, that are they co-requisite? I have to do it along with them, or I can do it first and then I can, because I don't want to take much load. I'm doing MBA, so I don't want
Okay.
to take much load. That's why.
Okay. So what I will suggest to you, if you're doing MBA, first you complete DBMS, first you understand the databases, the database management system, and then you go to MAD 1, do MAD 1, because in MAD 1 we use Flask and we use HTML. And then you goes to MAD 2, again in the MAD 2 you'll be using Flask for the backend, you'll be using Vue.js for the front end. So you do sequentially, DBMS, MAD 1, MAD 2. Is that okay?
I see. Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, Lokesh.
Yes, sir. My question is regarding the tools in data science.
Yeah.
Heard that it is kind of like has changed a lot in few terms, and it is kind of very difficult course. And I've seen that on the website it is said that the we should know the JavaScript before going into this course. So I'm right now, I haven't completed the Mat 2, so just want to ask, can I take the TDS? Like, will it be fine? Since the prerequisites on the website it says is JavaScript.
Okay. So if prerequisite has been given, I know that this course has evolved, but on the positive side, this course has become very, very beneficial for the real world. Like if you have done this course sincerely, then you will be able to answer a lot of questions in your interviews or to clear your tech rounds. So if there is a prerequisite of JavaScript, then I will suggest that you complete your MAT 2, get exposure of your JavaScript in the form of Vue.js, and then you do these tools in data science. Is that okay?
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I cannot see the name, but I can see one more raised hand. Yeah, Vishal.
Sir, I have a doubt regarding BDM project and deep learning course. So currently I have taken the BDM project in previous term and I have not completed it. So can I drop this and take deep learning course?
So see, BDM, have they made optional that BDM project is optional?
Sir, when I watched the live stream for this course update, then they said that we can do BDM project in degree level, I think, if we take deep learning course.
Okay. I will answer that, okay, maybe in the G space, or in the meanwhile, I will request Avijit or Afrin, do you have the latest student handbook? I will share in the chat. I'm just sharing the latest student handbook. If somebody can go through that, Manu Yadav or Aditya. So you just go through that, and if you can clarify that. Okay. Vishal will answer that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So if there is no, okay. Thanks, Piyush. So they have made the BDM project optional. Okay. Very nice. So you can drop that out and you can go to the introduction to deep learning. Okay, shall we move to programming side now?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Aditya, Yash Bhagwat. Yash Bhagwat, yes?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Sir, my question to you is that this is my first time I'm taking any diploma course. I have just completed my foundation level. My Python is actually quite basic. I know till numpys and pandas, but not like I'm not good into it. So I want to choose the fastest pathway to diploma. So can you suggest me what courses should I take?
Okay. So your question pertains to basically the programming side, okay, regarding the familiarity with Python. See, unfortunately, or I will not say unfortunately, these courses are mandatory. Okay. So if you are seeing your future as a data scientist or a programmer or a software developer, then you have to learn programming. You have to learn coding. Okay, there is no leeway in that. Okay, so once we come to the programming side, then I will cover certain, from how to go ahead. If there is any other question on data science, please you can ask.
No, that's all, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Manu, you can. Yeah, Jay. Okay, we go to the next slide then.
Mute, machine learning foundation, machine, all the three. Can we do in separate? This one separate session, or should I combine any two together?
So what I will advise here, go to the previous slide, please. What I will advise, if you are planning, for example, to do the data science diploma first, then you do MLF, MLT, MLP separately.
Okay.
Okay. Because first you understand the MLF, then you go to MLT, understand MLT, then you go to MLP, do the theory, MLT, MLP, and then you do the project. So that is the best pathway, to understand, to have the concepts clear.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay. Okay. Now we can go to the programming side, please. Okay. So in the programming side, we have got PDSA, we have got DBMS, we have got MAD1, MAD2, system commands, and Java. So this is the path basically for the software developers. And I would like to share with you that, in the current scenario, the lines between data scientist or machine learning engineer and a programmer or a software developer, they are getting blurred. What I'm trying to convey is that a data scientist or an ML engineer, they should know how to code or how to do programming. Similarly, a software developer, he or she has to know the basics of data science or machine learning or artificial intelligence, because you will have to integrate the Gen AI tools in your software development. Because currently all the codes which are being written, you have to integrate, agentic AI, LLM models, Grok, and all that. So those lines are getting blurred. So having said that, now coming to the programming side, PDSA is the core. Okay, PDSA and the app development. Again, Linux, which will be covered in the system commands. So PDSA is the one, when you go to the TAC round, all the companies, they ask you to code. Okay, and this PDSA is an introduction for all the kind of problems. And I tell you, the study material which is there, it is excellent. Excellent means, I mean it. But after doing this, for example, during the term breaks, and if you are thinking to take, even you are trying to become a data scientist, but then also you will have to clear the TAC rounds, technical rounds. In that, there will be questions from PDSA. For that, you have to, solve the lead questions. You have to keep on practicing, all the sorts, merge sort, quick sort, all that. So this is the core PDSA. Like in the MLF, MLT, MLP, like I mentioned earlier, the PDSA remains the core, and you have to keep on practicing. DBMS, database management system, you have to understand the concepts, how the databases, what are the architectures, relational databases are there, SQL, no SQL. Again, one of my friend, so I'm the VP of the placement agency. So I was talking to one of a company where our students are regularly hired, and the person, he told me one thing, Bola sir, Bola, I check only 3 skills in a student. I check only Python, I check SQL, and I check Linux. So these, what I wanted to cover, that these are again your basics which you have to polish. So SQL will be covered in your DBMS. MAD 1 and MAD 2 are MAD 1 is basically you will be building a project. Theory is easy, scoring in MAD 1 is easy, but you do MAD 1 first and then you do the project. Okay, so first learn the theory. What is the backend? How you integrate the databases? How you query them? So in the backend, in the Mat1 project, you will use Flask. It is a Python framework, and for the front end, you will be using HTML along with the CSS. So my recommendation is that you do Mat 1 theory first, then you do project. Similarly, in the Mat 2, again, there will be some advanced topics in the Mat 2, like security, scheduling, using salary. And in Mat 2, you will be using Flask again in the backend, and then you use JavaScript. So JavaScript is introduced in Mat 2. So again, my recommendation is that you do the theory first and then you do the project. So you know the concepts and then you can easily apply that in your next term. So that's a recommendation. System commands is basically to give you, introduction to Linux. So Linux is mandatory. Anybody is trying to become either a software developer or an ML engineer. Finally, you will be deploying your code on cloud. On cloud, everything is done using Linux commands. So system command is again hands-on. You have to be proficient in that, and you cannot say that I don't want to learn this, I just want to do this course. So again, magnificent, excellent course for that. Only the problem in the system commands is OPE. We felt that in our times OPE were difficult, but now the feedback which I'm receiving from the students, that OPEs are also good now. Java is basically to expose you to take a pure, proper OOPS concept language. So Java is for that. You can go through the slides, through the sessions, the PYQs, they will help you to score. So that is for programming. Okay, now we'll take questions on programming. Anybody wants to ask me any question on programming?
No, Doctor.
Okay, so having covered these both, programming diploma and data science diploma, remember these are the fundamentals. During the degree level, you will be building on these fundamentals. So whether you are trying to take the data science route or you are trying to the programming route, these two diplomas, the fundamentals are very, very important that you grasp them. You keep on practicing them. And I can vouch, and Afreen will also agree with me. She's working in a professional world, that these questions will always be asked at whatever level you go, wherever you go, in the tech rounds, in the interviews. Majority of the questions, I will say, is around 60 to 70% of the questions, they will come from these fields, and they are inescapable. They are inescapable. These fundamentals, make your notes. Okay, and when you go to that stage after 2 years for your placements or internships, refer your notes. So these notes, so get your fundamentals are absolutely clear. Okay, that is my request to all of you. Afreen, do you agree with me?
Yes, sir, I completely agree.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Ashok, so there is a question on the chat. Whether I can take one foundation subject along with the diploma? No, you have to complete first foundation, then only you can come to the diploma. Similarly, you have to complete both the diplomas to enter the degree level. Okay. Hi, Aparna.
Yes, sir. So my doubt was regarding the internship. I mean, they say that you can do it at at the end of one diploma, and you can do it after two diplomas as well. So I mean, what is actually advisable? I mean, like I'm quite into data science field. I'm not into much developer, but then I'm quite good with coding as well. So I mean, what's advisable? I mean, to complete both of my diplomas together, or shall I just pursue data science first and then look for internship or something?
Okay, Aparna. I got your question. So, Aparna, as per the eligibility, you can register for internship after single diploma also. Okay, for example, after doing the diploma in data science, if that is your preference, then you can register for that also. But like I mentioned earlier, you can get an internship in data science field. But for that, I would like to mention that the content of this will not be enough to get you an internship. Okay, our diploma, we give you an introduction to that magnificent field of data science. But after that, if you want to really get an internship, then you have to do a lot. You have to participate in Kaggle competitions. You have to go through a lot of projects, because we have got only one project, MLP. Okay, MLT is very good. There the models are covered. So please make the notes of that. Know every model in detail, their parameters, hyperparameters, everything. Know about ensembling techniques, boosting, bagging, everything. So that can be done. You can get an internship. However, if you are continuing, then you do your programming diploma also sincerely. Like I mentioned earlier, now the lines are getting blurred. Okay, you never know what your skill will come handy. You're going for some job and there they might require. Okay, so that is my recommendation. I hope I have answered your question.
Okay, sir. Sir, in a nutshell, I mean, doing both the diplomas is more preferable before applying, and I'm planning to continue this till BS degree as well. So.
Yes. So if your requirement is to have an internship, so you can register for an internship after completing one diploma. But like I mentioned earlier, uh, this diploma content, other than this, you will have to do many other things also. Okay. Yeah, Uditya. Which has to be choose first diploma in programming and data science? No, it is your personal choice. You can do both the diplomas in parallel, okay, or you can complete one diploma first or second diploma later on. It is your own choice. Similarly, it will depend on you which topic you are finding difficult. Okay, so I will advise you ask yourself what are your strengths, what are your limitations, and then you take one easy course, okay, and one difficult course, or two difficult course, or two easy courses. I completed the diplomas by taking four courses in one term. I took two courses from diploma in data science, two from programming, and that also in combination. Two for me, I was not good in coding. I never did coding, so I did as per my insights. I took two difficult courses, two easy courses. So it depends on you, really.
Sir, I was asking a similar question
Yeah.
that if we want to do both the diplomas, so should we do the programming one first because that will build the foundation on which we can then do data science, or uh,
So Uditya, the diploma in programming does not have any role in your diploma in data science, because the diploma in programming will not teach you NumPy, it will not teach you pandas. Okay, so you can do parallel, or it depends on your route, what path you want to take. So there is no ideal path. What I want to say, it depends on your skills, your strengths, your limitations. Yeah, Roshni.
mm,
Hi, Roshni.
Yes, sir. Good evening. Sir, actually, I want to take a MAD 1 project in system commands system, and I'm a dual degree student. So I'm confused to take a BDM or not. Like, is it okay? Like, is it manageable to things?
Okay, so Roshni, it will depend, how many hours of study you can devote to. So MAD one will take time. You will keep on building the project. It takes effort. But those boot camps which are there, which are conducted by the IIT Madras, they will definitely help you. You can find the earlier, GitHub repos where our students they have they have kept their repositories of Mad1. They can help you. So a lot of material is available. It will depend on problem statement, but definitely
Okay.
you will have to work on that. System commands, it is new for most of the people, because all of us we have been working on Windows laptops or desktops. So it takes time, you again getting familiarized with Linux shell and practicing those commands, so it doesn't come naturally to us. Okay, so it
Yes.
also takes time. But BDM, like if the project has been made optional, then BDM is a very easy subject. Theory part is easy.
Okay, sir. Actually, this is my second term. Like I've taken project last time itself, but I haven't completed that, sir. So I have to do this term only. So that's
Okay.
why. Or else, can you suggest anything with the project, Madon project, any subject?
No, Mad1 project, they will Mad1 project you can do easily with the Linux system commands you can do.
Okay, sir.
Okay, or Mad1, with Mad1 you can do MLF if you're not done MLF.
I've done MLF, sir. I've completed MLF, DBMS, and MAD1 theory.
Okay, then you can take MLT. See, MLF, MLT, and MLP you have to be in continuous path. Don't lose that connection.
Yes, sir. But I'm not good with that. Like not
No,
good with
no,
that subs.
MLT is easy. MLT is easy. It is not difficult.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Have confidence in your abilities. If you have come to diploma level and if you have done 3 4 courses, have confidence. Nobody has done coding in their life. Somebody, okay, if somebody is a very good coder, he or she must have started someday. Okay, nobody is a born, okay, excellent data scientist. Nobody is a born, coder. I started, I can give you my example. Okay, I started, okay, this degree. I had not done anything. Okay, for me, all these, were Romans, everything. So if I can do any, and all of you can do easily. Have confidence in your ability. Okay, plan out well. Don't waste your time. Utilize your break times. Okay, these term breaks which are there, always, you should, whatever the course you are taking, the registration will open soon. So get a good head start. All the playlists are available on YouTube. So at
Yes.
least go through the first 4 weeks. So then you will not have stress about the quiz one. Okay, your
Mhm.
concepts will be clear. So that is my recommendation and suggestion.
Yes. Thank
Yes, yes, Sanjeev.
you. Sir, can you just share that diploma in data science, that slide? I have to take a screenshot, sir. Yes.
Okay, but that is available, okay, in your student handbook is available. Everything is available.
Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, yeah. Yes, Sanjeev.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening.
So actually, I'm a dual degree student, and uh, and मैं हर टर्म में आप हिंदी के संग कंफर्टेबल हो?
Yes, yes, no problem, Sanjeev.
हाँ, तो लाइक मैं हर टर्म में मैं 4 सब्जेक्ट्स ले रही थी एंड मैं अभी डिप्लोमा में हूँ. मेरा डिप्लोमा का सेकेंड टर्म था अभी, मे टर्म. तो सर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो बहुत हार्श हो रहा है एंड मेरी सीजीपीए मतलब काफी नीचे हो गई, लाइक अब 7 पर है.
Okay.
तो तो मतलब मेरा एमएलटी एमएलएफ कंप्लीट हो चुका है, बट सर मुझे इस टर्म में मीन्स सब्जेक्ट ज्यादा लेने में एक तो डर लग रहा है कि लाइक मेरी खराब हो जाएगा डिप्लोमा.
Okay.
एंड
तो सांची अभी
जी सर,
आपने कौन सा कंप्लीट किया है?
लाइक प्रोग्रामिंग में मेरा कंप्लीट हो चुका है डीबीएमएस, सिस्टम कमांड्स एंड मैड 1 थ्योरी.
Okay.
And in data science, I've completed BDM, MLF, MLT, and एक second.
Okay.
And
तो
BDM project I have taken, but वो final round उसका clear नहीं हुआ, उन्होंने reject किया, तो वो मुझे repeat करना पड़ रहा है.
ओके, तो सांजी जैसे आपने बताया कि आपका सीजीपीए आपके नीचे जा रहे हैं, तो अभी आप क्या कीजिए कि अब पहले आप 4 सब्जेक्ट ले रहे थे, अब आप 4 सब्जेक्ट मत लीजिए, आप 3 सब्जेक्ट लीजिए. ओके,
ओके सर.
3 या 2 आप लीजिए. अगर आपका कंसर्न आपके सीजीपीए पर है तो आपने 3 जैसे प्रोग्रामिंग में किए हुए हैं, तो पहले आप मैड1 का प्रोजेक्ट खत्म कीजिए. मैड1 का प्रोजेक्ट आपका टाइम लेगा और आप बीडीएम में, अब बीडीएम प्रोजेक्ट आपका ऑप्शनल हो गया है, तो आप एक इंट्रोडक्शन टू दैट डीप लर्निंग आप ले सकते हैं अगर आपका वो प्रोजेक्ट आपकी प्रॉब्लम है। लेकिन अब क्या, आप थोड़ा सा आप एक ब्रेक लीजिए। डोंट बी इन हरी, व्हाट आई वांट टू से, इफ यू आर कंसर्न अबाउट योर सीजीपीए तो हरी में मत रहिए, फिर 2 या 3 कोर्सेज कीजिए।
सर इसलिए एक कंफ्यूजन ये भी था, जैसे अगर पीडीएम का प्रोजेक्ट मींस अगर स्टक कर रहा है तो बीए करना अभी नहीं लेनी चाहिए ना बीए?
बीए आप ले सकते हैं, बीए में फॉर्मूलाज हैं, कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं, वो इजीली आप फॉर्मूले करके वो आप अच्छा स्कोर कर सकते हैं उसमें।
एंड सर मेरा सिस्टम कमांड्स लाइक बहुत वीक हो गया था, लाइक ओपी तो बिल्कुल ही
हाँ देखो
बहुत
संजी,
वीक हो गया था, तो
हाँ
लाइक उस पे वर्क कैसे
हाँ,
करें?
लेकिन उसमें सांजी आपको एक काम करना पड़ेगा। देखिए जैसे मैंने पहले मेंशन किया कि जो सिस्टम कमांड्स या लाइनक्स है वो हमारे लिए एक नई चीज है, हमने ज्यादातर विंडोज यूज किया है, तो हम सभी के लिए ये नई चीज थी, बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग था, सभी ने स्ट्रगल करके इसको किया है। लेकिन मैं आपको एक बताना चाहूंगा कि उस वो जो कमांड्स आपने जो सीखी हैं उसको नोट्स पे लिखिए, उसको प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए। ठीक है, बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, या आप क्या WSL आप विंडोज में यूज कर सकते हैं, उसको यूज करते रहिए, बिकॉज ये सारी चीजें आपके फ्यूचर में बहुत कम आएंगी। हर जगह आपका ये लाइनक्स यूज होता है, और ये जो सिस्टम कमांड्स है ये एक बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन है लाइनक्स के लिए। ओके,
ओके
या
सर,
थैंक यू। हाय
थैंक
हितेश।
यू।
Yes, sir. My doubt is what is the benefit of mentorship? Because I am afraid in failing the OPP of PDS and DBMS.
Okay, mentorship, I'm not aware, but what I understand, like I'm a mentor to the degree level students. So mentor, as a mentor, my job is not you to, directly show the way. I will give you guidance how to find the answers. I will not give you the answers. Okay.
Because sir,
So,
I practice a lot in Python, but I failed the OPP first, and so
okay. Okay. So what you do, see, for learning Python, go to HackerRank.
okay.
Okay, go to hacker rank, solve the problems there, find your weakness ki aap kahan par struggle kar rahe hain, where you're faltering. Okay, and build like a step by step. We didn't learn everything on one day. We started learning for first ABCD, then how to form the
Yes, sir.
words,
Yes,
how
sir.
to then have the grammatical.
We build the concept now.
Yes. So HackerRank is there. HackerRank is fantastic platform to learn Python. It has got beginners, it has got intermediate, it has got advanced. So all three are there.
Yes, sir. Now, sir, now I am in diploma level. So, what is sir? Where I to practice PDS and DBMS?
PDSA, our lectures which are there, they are very good. They are
Okay.
excellent. Okay. Otherwise, there are good online resources also.
Okay.
Okay, there are Geek for Geeks is there. So for any topic which is there, any topic which you are finding difficult, for example, you're finding merge or difficult to understand, though
Yes.
our material builds the intuition. They are very good in building the intuition. But
Okay.
for the coding, if you're finding difficulty, then go to the online resources. But these are the fundamentals you have to, इनको तो आपको समझना पड़ेगा. You cannot do without them.
So, if I follow the disciplines, so can I pass the OPP now?
Yes,
For
can you
subject?
come again?
Sir, if I follow the discipline in lectures, so I pass the OPP now, PDS and DBMS.
Yes, you can pass out.
Okay.
Okay, I will recommend one thing, to all the students who have come to the diploma level and to all the degree level students also, please code every day for half an hour. Please code, whether you are a data scientist or you are a programmer, code, get your hands dirty every day. Okay, because that is the only thing, by which you can become proficient. You cannot escape from coding. Whether you are a degree level data scientist, you have to do the coding on PyTorch. Okay, every day you have to do that. Okay, any other question?
Sir, my last question.
Yeah.
Sir, I am taking 3 courses, PDSA, DBMS, and Med1. So, I have to take Med1 project in this term or next term?
I will recommend you do your Mat1 project after the theory.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So to the organizers, can I request something, Manu?
Yes.
Okay, can I request you? So today we keep only for the diploma level students because I think it will take, another, okay, maybe 15-20 minutes. And tomorrow we can keep a call for degree level students if that suits you.
Yeah, works. No
Okay,
issues at
okay.
all.
Yeah, so today we'll handle the diploma level and tomorrow we'll go for the degree level. Okay.
Guys, so hi. Hope you can hear me, right? So, as per what Lalit sir has said, so this GMeet is going to be especially for diploma level students. So, if you are in degree level student, if you are a degree level student, can you please come tomorrow at the same time? Will it be possible for you? Sorry for the inconvenience, right? Okay, I hope that Max, like a lot of students are of diploma level only, but in case we do have some students from degree level, so we are sorry. Please do come on like at the same time, and let's discuss with you tomorrow. Thank you.
Hi, Rajni.
Uh, yeah, so we do have a few slides. Let me just
Yes, yes.
there
So
and
Manu, before we take the slide, okay, let's hear out Rajni. She wants to ask something.
yeah,
Actually,
sure.
my 5 years are completing in December.
Rajni, you are not audible.
I'm not audible.
No.
Now, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, yes, slightly better now.
Actually, my 5 years are completing in December. I'm from the first batch actually, but still I'm left with two courses. One is Java, another is TDS,
Okay.
and all the four projects are left. So
Oh,
six.
okay.
So is there any way out for me?
Okay, so your BDM project is left, your MLP project is left, your
Oh,
MAD 1, MAD 2.
uh,
Okay. Okay, so then you have to chop out a plan. Start doing, for example, your two theory subjects are left. So take
two theory
one,
I'll manage. Two
yes,
theories I'll
yeah,
manage.
two theory are left now. So you do one theory and two projects. Okay, you can take one programming subject and one data science project and one theory. If you
Okay.
do that, then in next two terms you can complete your both the diplomas.
So I will be left with the time because I thought I may be misunderstanding. Only limit is the 5 years
Yes,
for
yes, yes, yes,
foundation
yes,
plus
Ye-
diploma.
yes, yes. That is also true. That's
Then
also true. Yeah. Then there is nothing. You can send a mail to support requesting
mhm.
for an extension or some compassionate counts or something. Okay. Yeah.
And if
I,
I do both the theories, and can I? mm,
See, if 5 year clause is there, then you can request only.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi, Arpit.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening.
Uh, I completed my foundation level last term and I got overall 7.4 CGPA approx. And I got 4 grade point in maths too. So I'm thinking to improvement in September term
Okay.
along with some foundation courses.
Okay.
I'm a dual degree student, so can you suggest me some courses in diploma so I can easily manage with them?
Okay. So in the diploma, you can do from the programming side. I will say take DBMS first. Okay, it is relatively easier, and then in your data science, you can take a BDM theory. This easier theory part. Okay, and then you can go for your improvement course.
So I should take only one subject with math too,
No, no, I'm saying
right?
take. You can take two courses also. It depends. See, again, I'm repeating the same thing. It depends on you finding about yourself. What are your strengths? What are your limitations? Okay, you ask yourself how many hours you will be able to devote. Where are you weak? So diploma, you have to complete all the subjects. Okay, so ask yourself, can you do three courses? Can you do four courses? Or can you do two courses only? If you can do two courses only, then one take Either take BDM or you take DBMS and do your improvement. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Any other question?
Sir, I
Hello.
had a question. Um,
Yes, Uditya.
Sir, I was asking, building on Arpit's question, if you are repeating a subject, so do we and we get lower marks than the previous attempt we had. So which one will be considered, the latest one or the best one?
So Uditya, if you are thinking of improvement, I I should not find you, doing, worse than before. But I think if there is an improvement, then only improvement will be counted. If you are not improved, then then your last count will be counted.
I see. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Himanshu. Okay. Yes, Himanshu, you can take. No problem. Yeah, Kalai Rasan.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Sir, I am a direct entry diploma student. I
Okay.
am into my third term.
Okay.
The student handbook says we should complete 3 theory course and 1 project within in 3 terms. So I'll be taking my BDM project now. If I couldn't complete within 3 terms, what will happen? Will I heard from someone that they will give us some warning, but the warning will be they will give us some extended timeline, or we should complete within 4 terms or 5 terms. Do you have any idea about this?
No, no, I don't have any idea about that, but I can tell you one thing, that the BDM project has become optional now, and BDM project has got its own challenges of collecting the data. So I
Okay.
will advise you that if you want to do some project, then either you do MAD1 project or you do the MLP project.
No, no. Actually, I am a direct entry diploma student. I've completed my MTech 10 years ago. I worked for 8 years. I'm into career break now, so I'll be only pursuing my data science diploma course.
Okay,
Uh,
so in the
uh,
diploma data science also you can do your MLP project.
MLP project, I need to do a MLF and MLT and
So
theory course.
what
MLP,
courses,
like
what are all other courses you have completed till now?
No, no. In first term, I took only Max 2 and Stats 2. Second term, I took only BDM. I don't have enough. I have some limitation to allot time to study. I'm having
Okay, okay, I have
barely two,
understood. I have understood. What I'm asking you, what all courses of diploma you have completed?
only BDM theory I've completed.
Okay, so okay, only
I'll be
BDM.
taking I'll be taking machine learning foundation theory this term. Along with that, I'm planning to take BDM project.
Okay,
Since
then you should be
since,
able to finish it.
yeah, that is what, even if I didn't do BDM project, what warning will be getting? I just wanted to know about the timeline for doing BDM project.
No, that
It
I'm not
says,
aware of. Kalai,
okay,
Kalai, I'm not sure about that, so I'll not
okay,
shoot here. Okay.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. That's all.
Yes. Hi, Devam.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kalai. Hi, Devam. Hi, Devam has raised his hand. Hi, Sanjeev. Yes, Sanjeev, Devam, Bhagwat Veer. Yes, Bhagwat Veer.
Sir, I have a doubt in the data science diploma about. Can you just tell me about the Gen AI project? So, which is the correct option? The option one and option two practically. Like, can you suggest?
What Gen AI project?
Actually, I was just going through the course and I found out that there are two options now in data science. So, I just wanted to know about that as well. So, can you just tell me?
No, just hold on. So I had requested someone to check the. So can you give me some background to that? Some new course has come.
Sir, can I add here?
Yes, yes, please.
Okay.
Hi, Vijay. Hi.
Hi, sir. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you, Vijay.
Yeah. So this GenAS course is basically a alternative to BDM project and BDM course. So student can choose one of either they should go from by the BDM course and BDM project, or they can choose to go for GenAI or introduction to GenAI and those kind of system. So basically, what this course was is to introduction to this fine tuning, in inferencing from the LLM models or pre-trained models, training it, and in the project component, they are going to set up a competition on Kaggle, similar as MLP, but this competition is mostly based on IKES LLMs or pre-trained models, and students had to compete there, write their codes and on all those stuff. And there is also a GitHub component where students have to submit their code snippets and they have to write a report. And this specific report, which is basically a deviation from MLP. In MLP project, we don't need any kind of notes at reports as such. So this report should be in kind of a research report format. So that's what's the new addition. I think it's been run from past month or has been introduced in this month. What I personally suggest, yeah, if you are totally inclined toward the programming part and you don't want much yourself to get introduced with business aspect of what you are doing. Okay, see now in every business or whatever setup you are in, when you are joining a service company or technological company or building your own business for that matter, we will need some kind of context how business actually runs and where you are building a program or application which is maybe based on a generative AI or data science or whatever it is. You should understand the business perspective. That's very important. So until unless you are totally inclined to what, and if you just decided, okay, I don't have anything to do with the business part, I just want to focus on the technicals, so you should take this course up. But again, BDM remains one of the projects that challenges you, because here you actually have to deal with this data collections and solving it with a new real business, which is the problem which is there in the market, and which actually business owners required, and which actually sometimes and most of the times, basically if you done it correctly, add a lot of value to the market. Okay, so that's my perspective. Yes, if you are totally inclined toward the technical parts and want yourself to be proficient more on the technical side, go for GenAI. And again, if you are finding BDM too tough, then you can also again opt for this GenAI course. Otherwise, my preference will be go for the BDM, because again, this generative AI things will you get introduced to them in the degree level courses, and there are a lot of courses which actually deals with the technicals only in the degree. So that's my perspective. Yeah, and that's the reference as well, sir.
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you. Yeah, rightly brought out. Okay, so Manu, I will do one thing. I will take your leave. Abhijit is here. Okay, they are, experienced. Yes, yes, Urvashi.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I've recently completed my foundation level, and this will be my first term in diploma. So I'm planning to do diploma in programming first. So which two subjects would you suggest so that I can take as a first term?
Okay. So see, if you are planning to do your programming first, so then you can take one easy subject, and on that you can build. For example, you take DBMS first and do take your PDSA. Okay. And
PDS.
and in the next term, then what you can do, you can take MAD 1, because DBMS is prerequisite for your MAD 1, and with MAD 1 you can take system command or Java. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And then in the next term you take you do MAD 1 project, you take MAD 2, and then you can take either system command or Java, whatever is left out.
Okay.
Okay, and then you, after doing Mat 2, then you do your Mat 2 project.
Right.
So it will be a gradual built up. So you're getting your concepts clear, and then you're doing first theory, and then you're doing the project. Okay. Yeah.
And sir, do we get a category fee waiver for improvement courses?
I'm not sure, really, Urvashi. I'm sorry.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Welcome. Okay, friends, I will take your leave. I hope I was able to clarify your, most of your queries. I wish you all the very best. And I want to say another thing to all of you. You should enjoy learning. Don't be in hurry. Okay. Anytime you feeling, you're stressed out, then, accelerator, just bring down your speed. Okay, take one or two courses less, but enjoy this learning and get these fundamentals clear. They are not check boxes that I have ticked this, so on the basis of that I'll go and get a job. No, these are the skills which you will learn during these courses, which will take you forward. So enjoy learning, keep on making your notes, keep on networking, make some study groups, build friendships. That there is somebody who's good in PDSA or somebody good in Linux, then form your study groups, because this course or this program might be online, but it has provided us so many opportunities. Like today, so many of us, we are talking to each other. We have got WhatsApp groups, we have got G Space, we have got Discourse. So build your study groups and enjoy learning. And I'm sure I've got full confidence that all of us, we can sail through that, and we can do much better. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye bye.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much,
sir.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you for
sir.
your time. So yeah, guys, if you have any doubts, we do have our guests Avijit Bhaiya and Afrindi. You can ask them. Uh,
Yeah, I guess I can extend 10 minutes more. So yeah. If you have any doubts regarding anything, you can just raise your hand or just unmute yourself and we can talk.
Hey, you told that the BDM project BDM project is optional, but BDM subject is not optional, actually.
Business project, business, and now there is
Uh,
two options for 6 credit specifically for the diploma in data science part. Okay, if you just go through the handbook, let me
no,
just
no,
share.
no, no, no. What I'm saying, you please. BDM course you have to take. BA course is optional, I think.
Just 1 minute. I have shared my window. I think, yeah. Okay, so this is what they have introduced recently for data science courses. We have machine learning foundation, machine learning techniques, machine learning practices, business data management, tools in data science, which is mandatory, and project courses. Now, in the project courses, with reference to September 2025, which is this term, we have two courses or two options to go on. First is we can take business analytics, and we can take business data management project. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, got it right. BDM is not optional. Yeah, and
Oh,
next, yeah, next we
thanks,
have
sir.
introduction to deep learning and generative AI with deep learning and generative AI project. Yeah, that's it. So BDM
So
is
we
a,
have to so we can take BDM now, है ना?
yeah, yeah,
Without,
we have to
if I
take
am
BDM.
going
So
to Gen AI course.
I just missed with this BA and BDM. So BA is optional, not BDM. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, Rajkumar, go on, please.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir? Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
Sir, actually, I am a foundation level student, sir. From when my course registration starts, sir?
I think course registration has been start from today. Can you confirm? Could you confirm, like Aditya or Manu?
I have
I'm not
actually
sure.
checked
I'm
it in
out
the
of this
first week.
program now, so I've completed the BS. So I'm not sure on that. You can check the mails. The mails like interns when the course registration is start actually. So wait for it.
Sir, actually, I didn't receive any mail, sir.
Yeah, when the course registration start, they will certainly mail you. I think the team will mail you 6 times a day for sure.
If it has started and you have not, like, you didn't receive the mail, if you think so, then you can, I think,
Right to
mail to
support
the
them.
support team.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, they are saying that once check through dashboard, and I didn't find any link in the dashboard.
Then do one thing, take a screenshot and send it to the support team.
Sure, ma'am.
Till now, nobody has got it. We have
No,
already
then I
checked.
think it hasn't started. See, we both are
Because
graduates now.
we are told that today 11 o'clock it will start, but till now nobody has got it. I'm keeping on checking in the
Manu
group.
and Aditya, do you all know anything about this?
No, we also don't know anything.
Then maybe it's just late.
Yeah, we think so.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
See, we have so far
I actually have
discussed.
one last question.
Yeah.
If I may, if you want to tell me,
Yeah,
I
sure,
can.
sure.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I just wanted to ask this that I'm completely focused on the data science part. So in the optionals, can you suggest me which should I go for? Because I have no idea about it. That is why.
Yeah.
Abhijit,
So
you can
can you
answer.
come again, please? Missed.
Sorry, I was actually completely focused on the data science part. And my
Okay.
question is that there are now optional projects available and the course also. So can you tell me which one should I go for if I'm completely focused on data science part?
Yeah, now data science, which part? Are you more interested in the technicals one, like training or developing models, or like fine tuning it, or using it as using the models as an application in some application,
Yes, yes,
or
that's
on the
right.
contrary, you are more interested toward understanding a business problem, and based on that understanding, you can do or run any technicals. So if you
I
are,
think you can.
yeah, go on, offering, please.
What Abhijit said is completely correct. That if you are like technically oriented, go for Gen AI. But what I think is that, see, you will, in the degree level, you're going to learn about LLMs, deep learning, DLP. There are courses which will teach you all these things. But I think this is my personal experience completely. BDM is important because I think you should not take BDM only if you're having very much difficulty in handling the data or getting data from some sources. Only then. Otherwise, I think you can take if you have prior experiences, but you should not still miss BDM because, see, Gen AI and deep learning, these things will come in your degree level. And a little bit hands-on experience, because, see, this is also data science part, that is also a data science part. So if you're completely focused into data science, both are data science part. Now, you never know what you can get in the future. Like when you sit for placements, which field you're getting into, the analytics part or in the AI engineer part, you never know. So if Abhijit, you want to add something
Yeah,
here.
my personal preference will be go with the BA and BDM project, because BDM
Huh.
project is again much more challenging. But again, if you are really not give a like anything about the business aspect of it, you just can just go through the technical, because technicals again, they, like the whole degree course is now full of technicals. Even they have
Yeah, yeah.
introduced labs and blah blah blah, a lot of things. So what you can do is that, okay, take the BDM for now, have a good hands-on experience through this capstone project in the industry or in the market, and then you can go for the technicals. That's what I suggest, but again, it's your choice and preference.
Huh, it's your choice.
Understood. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think.
And what I wanted to also add, because I'll just leave in a few minutes. Abhijit, you want to say something here?
No, continue.
So, see, we have discussed about all the courses that we have, how to handle the projects, how to select the courses, and all those things. So, from my experience, from my experience of what I have done, and I'm happy with it, and also from my experiences, like what I did not do while I was in my diploma level, I would want to share both the things, because while you're studying, That is also very important, that how you are studying. So one thing is that you should, as Lalit sir also mentioned, you should get your hands dirty and you should like code every day. Even if you're not getting that half an hour, code for 15 minutes also, because you will forget. Truly speaking, I forgot. I forgot most of the things when I was almost in my final year. So that happens. But again, we had to revise it. But I'm telling you, industry level, if you want to ask me, what do they ask? What questions do they ask? I have given interviews for good companies, and I can tell you this, that they ask you whatever has been taught in our course, whatever is in our degree, they ask you just from here. And where diploma is also playing a very crucial role, this level is playing a very crucial role. So what I want to say is that while you're studying, pay attention to PDSA. I know when the theory of PDSA is very interesting and you will like it, but coding it is again very difficult. So start with lead code, start with HackerRank. HackerRank is an easier version, but for DSA, I would say start with lead code, start with easy questions, get into this practice. I know it's very tedious, you wouldn't want to do, but that helps in the long run. PDSA is one thing where you should practice. Even when you're in your degree level, practice once in a week, you solve some PDSA questions. SQL also. In database management system, we have SQL. You get good grades there. It's very easy to get 90 above and 100 in DBMS. But what happens, SQL is something literally, I'm telling you, each time I start, I do it, I forget it after a few days. If I stop it for 3 months, 6 months, I'll forget the basic syntaxes. I have the logic running in my mind, but then I'll forget the syntaxes. So this is again one thing. So you keep yourself in touch with SQL also. And when you have all these things very well, from my experience, I'm telling you, there was the company where I'm working right now. I did not have the time to even study, prepare for the interview rounds. But I cleared it because the basics were good, and everything was taught in our degree also. So these two things came handy for me. I was very skeptical that I wouldn't do well, but that was the moment when I actually realized that yes, our degree has it all. Okay. And then somebody was talking about system commands, that it's very difficult. That's true, it's very, very difficult. So how you will manage system command is that do projects, you're going to use all those commands. Anyway, you're going to use those commands, and do one thing, write those commands. So what I would suggest is make a doc. Whenever you're in a project and you think, okay, this command worked for this and that command worked for that, you will forget after some time if you're not in touch. For people who are in touch, that is good. So what you do, write it down in a document that, okay, this was my error and this command solved it. This is one thing. Second thing is that in your diploma levels, try to search for some internships. This is because I know, even if I tell you that you should sit and do lead code, you should do SQL and all those things, even if I tell you, that zeal doesn't come from inside. So I would say that search for some internships. I don't really support like people who don't pay you for internships. वो free वाली मजदूरी, I really don't like it. But in your diploma level, actually you can explore this. But yeah, the work should be good. It should not be like the company is bad and don't pay for any internship. But never pay for any internships. Search for internships, write to people. And at this moment, if you get your hands dirty in those projects and on those internship work that you do, by the time you reach the final year, you will be placement ready by yourself. That's all is what I wanted to say. Abhijit, you can continue.
No, that's okay. I think Govind has a few questions. I think Govind, and then we have Seema. And that's all.
Yeah, hello. Yeah.
Yeah.
We just completed foundation course. I am interested in the programming side and diploma side.
Okay.
So what exact courses I can start with, because I am a dual degree student and maximum 2 or 3 subjects I wanted to take in the first term.
So
would you please suggest?
What do you want? What's your natural behavior? You want to start easy or you want to eat the frog first?
Meaning on an average, one easy and one the difficult one. So I wanted to at least
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you have any prior experience with data structures and as such? Do you have any other what degree you are pursuing parallelly?
Electrical engineering, but I started writing some small codes in C++.
In that sense, then okay, go for PDSA first. Okay,
Okay.
take PDSA.
Okay.
Take MAD one. Okay, the MAD one, the for like you are just taking courses from Diploma in Programming. So go for PDSA
Yeah.
and then go for Application Development one.
Okay.
Okay, this tool will suffice, I guess, and then extend it for Application Development Project, MAD one project.
Okay.
Yeah, these three combination works best.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
And don't keep system commands in your last diploma term. Don't do that
Yeah.
mistake.
Okay. Okay. Understood.
Yeah, because that specific subject will make you cry
You
multiple
might
times.
just flunk. I'm not saying that it will, but there are high probability of
Chances.
Yeah.
yeah
Okay.
not clearing the OPPs. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
One
next we
more
have
thing, even
yep.
if you want to go towards the data science side, pay attention to MAD 1 and MAD 2, because ultimately, when you do some data science work, also, those things, understanding of those things are very important.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, next we have Seema.
Yeah, hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you're perfectly audible.
So I'm done with my PDSA, MAD1, and DBMS. I also finished MAD1 project. Now I thought of going to the data science path. Is it good to do MLF and MLT in the same term?
I would not suggest that because many of the MLF concept that been taught later will cover in the MLT first week and such. But again, the options are available. You can take it, but I would rather suggest take MLF with
So can
BDM.
you suggest me like three subjects and one project, or four subjects which I to go in this term?
3 subjects and 1 project is good. So go for MLF and go for tools in data science. Along with that, go for MAT2 and MAT2 project. MAT2 project, if you have programming background, then 1 term is good. Otherwise, it is going to take, I think,
I
2 terms.
found MAD1 to be kind of hard. That's why I didn't want to go
Okay,
to MAD 2.
then don't go for this MAT2 now. Go for MAT2 course. Okay, MAT2 course, BDM, like 3 subject and 1 project combination will be MLF. Okay, along with that BDM or TDS, whatever you like. Okay, and then MAT2 course. Okay, and so do a twist. Okay, do MLF, do BDM, take BDM project because it will going to take at least 2 term to complete BDM project. Okay, if you are going to take BDM project.
Okay.
Okay, and if you are choosing for this, then I hope you just go for 4 courses, a BDM or Introduction to Deep Learning. This demand MLP as core requisite. Okay, you cannot do this really. So MLF, BDM, Tools in Data Science, and MAT2 course, or MLF, Tools in Data Science. Uh, Sorry, MLF. If you are going for BDM, then MLF, BDM, this course, MAT2 course, and yeah, BDM project.
Okay. Sir, what if I want to go towards deep learning, introduction to Gen AI and deep learning?
Okay, Introduction to Gen AI and Deep Learning.
Would I do anything like system commands instead of the BDM project?
Yeah, take 4 courses: BDM, Tools in Data Science, MLF, and System Command. That also help. Or System Command, MAT2, MLF, and TDS. I mean, TDS is kind of a project course only. It's a lot of assignment, which is actually project, small projects.
Okay. Okay, sir.
And
Thank you.
guys, like this might looks dangerous or not relevant, but this is a very relevant project. Even in when you go for placements, industries actually look for beside technicals what you know. So yeah, this is good. Okay, but this is kind of something which you can't do like by just on your own. You go and ask for a data if you don't have this backing or the acknowledgement certificate from this BDM. No one going to give you data, and you cannot run this independently without institute support. So I had kind of a inclination toward this. So do consider this project before making decision. And it's in comparison to this two, this had something like more, because
Sir,
these
just a
projects
doubt.
you can run yourself. Okay, these projects you can go again. There are multiple competition always available over Kaggle. You can like just watch some project videos over YouTube, and tons of it over the YouTubes. Okay, and you can do this project by your own. Okay, now this project you can't do your own, and so once in a lifetime moment. And capstone project are actually part of MBA syllabus. They are mandatory part of MBA syllabus across all IIMs, and even international business schools actually had very huge credits for capstone projects. So yes, that's there.
Sir, just a doubt.
Hmm.
To follow on this, so BDM project, will the IIT give any kind of data, or we have to search for the
No,
for the
you have to
company?
search for it. That's the challenge, that you have to go and ask some business. Okay, if you have problem, you should have this persuading or convincing power there, that they should share your share the data or the business data with you, so that you can work on it and give them or recommend them some good solutions, or at least identify the issues they have they are having in their business.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, I think Pius.
Yeah, hello sir. Am
I
I
have one
audible?
last question.
Yeah, you're audible.
Hi sir. Sir, so I have two major questions.
Hmm.
So my first question is, as I am a standalone student, and
Okay.
from current term, my diploma journey is going to start. So I wanted to ask, should I go for the mixed path, or I should firstly complete one diploma and start for the internship?
That's a personal choice. Like it's like nowadays industry actually not look for what you have done in your courses, the skills that's matter. So if you think that your skill will be improved by mixing those courses, much better. But if you have other like choices, or if you have choices like, okay, uh, for example, I'm just learning it for the industry, then again I think data science take up precedence. Like both are almost equal, but yeah, giving like looking at the market demand, data science will land you something, even programming will land you at something for sure.
Okay.
Like
And the
I
second
can't
question
give you a
is,
clear answer to this actually. It's like your what you are good at, you have to analyze it and you fix the path that way. Okay, mix of it is good. Completing one and then completing other is also good. Choosing data science first or choosing programming first is also good. It depends upon what is your background, where you want to land yourself up. Okay, and yeah,
okay.
that's all.
And the second question is that if I go for the mixed path, then what should be the suitable subject combination if I wanted to complete in max to max 5 terms?
Yeah, I have also take like 5 terms, except that BDM part and Mat 2 project. So it's 6 term total. So what I
Okay.
did for my first term, I take like MLF, and
Okay.
I take with MLF PDSA. Obviously, PDSA you have to nail it first, and because why? Because once you done develop a basic understanding of PDSA, then you can go for lead code and like run few questions or one or two questions daily, and you have to keep doing it until you land on a job, land over a job.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
these two courses fixed, and thereafter it's like. You can go for application development one, so that you can and make sure to take a one project at least, this project course in application development or MAD one. Okay, the MAD one project, MAD one course, PDSA course, machine learning foundation course, and you have other if you have whole lot of time, if you want to take. I think this is a good combination, 3 course and one project.
So
Okay.
without
Thank you so much.
DBMS, we can have Madfin without DBMS?
I'm not sure. Let me check then.
It's not a
Actually,
prerequisite actually. I'm just asking that will it require the knowledge of DBMS or it will be taught at that time
if
also?
No,
it is
no,
prerequisite or co-requisite,
It's a
then
core requisite, sir. It's a core requisite. First, you
Oh,
have to complete DBMS, then you have to go to MAD 1.
co-requisite means like we can run this MAD 1 and DBMS together. Okay. Yeah, then in that case, okay, go for DBMS, PDSA and DBMS together, MLF together, and these three courses are huge. So basically, then if you want some project courses so that your engagement will be okay, go for TDS. So these four subjects, because PDSA DBMS is a, like, it's a big course and it's very important course. MLF is also like math intensive, so you are again going to get socks like you are like math. It's like a mix of maths too and stats too, so it's going to give you some socks for sure. But it's doable. The instructors and teachers are like professors are very good, and you will enjoy the course. So MLF, DBMS, PDSA, and TDS will be good for you.
So,
Yes, yes.
excuse me. So if I have taken BDM course project, and I wasn't able to complete that project. So I was thinking that I should take some terms to get that data from some shops. So can I skip some terms for the project, or should I continue it in this next term only, or can I take?
Continue the BDM. Do you have other subject left or just BDM project?
I have other subjects also.
Okay, then I think when you register for BDM project, there are two terms which you can give to the BDM project. I think I'm not sure if consecutive two terms or like you can take a break in between. But yeah, you can take a break and then continue again. That's perfectly okay, given that the fee and all those things you need to check for. But yeah,
The
again,
fee is given back, and they are saying that you have to opt for it. We are not automatically going to take that
yeah. So
into
the point
consideration.
is like if they are like preserving that money so that you can take the medium project in the next term, or what is the criteria they are handling now, I'm not sure. So point what I'm making here is you can take a break. That's perfectly okay if I don't consider that fee part and all those things. And
Because I think only two chances are given, right? So if I'm not able to complete it in one term, and I think the data have to be uh, at least 6 months or some 5 6 months minimum. So I have to take more than one term for that, right?
yeah, absolutely right.
So how will I be able to complete it in one term if I don't skip one term in between for getting the
No,
data?
see, it's like a course only, no? So, for example, if you fail in some course, okay, fail in some course, and so again you can take a break and again continue the course in the later terms. Okay, that's perfectly okay. It's not that you have to take it in the consecutive term only. But yeah, now searching the business, I think it will not take more than 15 minutes if you're doing it rightly. Okay, so search for the business and get it done.
No, searching for the business is not the problem. The data part is the problem. Like some of the businesses are not even collecting the data, so I
Yes,
have to
so you have to
collect it.
collect it. Now, the
And
point is that what I'm making, they must have some kind of invoices or purchase or diaries. Okay, they should have. Even
but
vegetable owners keep those kind of stuffs, like this is the amount they have invested in this vegetable, this is the amount they have received after selling it. So those
some,
purchase will be there. So you have to convert that hard data to a soft data or in Excel file. You can run analysis over it.
yeah, and the purchase part is they keep the purchasing thing data, but the selling data is not available. So I have to get that to get the profit and all that things. In, so that's the problem. Or
Selling
maybe
data,
I
like
can
they, okay.
change.
I think I'm just pinging down my email. You can contact me there, okay? So we can
Okay, sir.
discuss over it. Yeah, next we have Seema again. And guys, two last these questions, okay?
Sorry, but this is out of the topic, but can I know how to get research internships in IITM?
Research internship where?
In IITM, like how do I get like how do I do research under professors or something?
You
Is
have
it
to
possible to
approach
do?
them. Obviously, you have to write to them. First, this is a direct way you can approach any professor. Uh, Either it should
Okay, so they don't
IITM
have
or
like
any
any.
institute. Now, wait, listen to me. The one way that our students are getting research internship is through TASIPs. They maintain a high CGPA. I think 8.5 is required. They get a TA. They get a like TA opportunity for this one term, two terms, and like subsequent terms. And once you get a TA opportunity, so the interaction with the professor will uh, like you will get more chances to interact with professors, okay, at least the course professors, okay. And there is also like you have like they are asked TAs to come over IITM campus and live there and coordinate all those things, so that give you exposure and you will make connections or networks, and through that actually you can get a TSA very easy, a research internship very easily. Apart from that, direct entries, yeah, or the open entries is always there. I think in the month of October, November, there is a IITM research portal where they ask for where they post all the opportunities that they have for research internship. So you can apply there. You like professor will interview you, and if you are good fit, then they will take you in the research internship. And otherwise, you can always write mails to them so that if they find you fit, then they can ask to come or give you
Yes, sir.
that.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, we have Yash, Sneha, and Siva. So quickly.
So, last question from my side.
Yeah.
I just wanted to ask that I'm also entering the diploma level for the first time,
Mm.
and I'm thinking to get the fastest pathway. So, can you suggest me which are the scoring subjects in the beginning, and after that, I can opt for other subjects? Can you just suggest?
I would say one thing first. Yes, don't think of like rushing down the diploma and because that made you ended up in like spending 2 years or more than that. Okay, plan it at least in 5 terms, at least. Okay, first thing. Now, scoring subjects. All subjects are scoring. They are like yeah, like in terms of okay subjects, mad 1, mad 2 subjects are courses are pretty easy. PDSA and Java is something, and system command, these three courses are like going to give you pains, specifically the system command OPPs, Java programming as well. If you unable to understand it properly, you will not able to clear OPP or even uses and in terms. Same goes for PDSA. DBMS first 4 week is easy. Next 4 week is like really tough, the business logics and all. Thereafter, they taught transactions in the last 4 weeks. So that's like, I think, moderate. So scoring subjects, MAD 1, MAD 2 in this part. And thereafter, in deployment data science, MLF is, I say, scoring. MAD BDM is with the introduction of new assignment is tough, but again you can score well. TDS is again is scoring. Okay, MLP is scoring. MLT is something which is tough here from my perspective. Again, if you are like, if projects are those things which makes or assign like practical assignments are something where you are like not good, then this BDM project and TDS will going to be tough for you. And if you're on the contrary, if you're good with mathematics, then MLF, MLT will be scoring for you. So it's depend you on your taste. Again, BA is a scoring subject. This I hope this is also going to be scoring subject because there are not much thing that they need to cover here. So that's it. Like diploma is a level where you are really get grind. So and so yeah.
Thank you, sir.
See, okay. One more thing in the diploma. The diploma is basically the the strongest level that this program has. So don't underestimate it. Degree level after clearing this diploma, both the diplomas degree level will like feel you so easy. But yes, it's not so easy. But yeah, it's like relatively easy than diploma levels. But again, you have to grind well. You have to do everything the way it should be in the diploma. Siva,
Yeah, hi sir.
yeah, hi.
Um, I have actually completed all the diploma courses. I am willing to do only the programming diploma. My aim is only that.
Mm,
After doing the programming diploma, I'm planning to leave the course.
okay.
So only MAT 2 project is left for me. I couldn't do it this term. I've opted for it, but I couldn't complete it. And my doubt is actually the next term, the coming 2 3 months are going to be very busy for me.
Mm,
So I'm planning to, skip this term and go for the next one.
mm.
But I don't think, will the MAD course continue? I did not submit for the project that I have chosen this term. So
Mm.
there won't be any fees if I choose the MAT projects this term itself. But if I drop this term and go for the next term,
I think you have
then
to
will I
pay
have to pay
again.
again?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I'll have to pay again then.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm not
okay,
sure on that part. I think you can write to operations or I think support. They will or just go through the handbook somewhere. They must mention. They must have
okay,
mentioned it.
okay, sir. Thank you.
You know. Next, who's there? Sneha again.
Sir, the second question was if we are opting for some internships, so should we take two subjects with that also, or should we keep it lenient, more lenient, or how can we manage internship
This
and
course is anyway very lenient. You are doing it from your home and what you want.
uh,
Like the point is that if you were in the campus, then you have a lot more things along with the studies that you may have done. Okay, but that you would but here you are doing it from home. Then going for an intensive and taking two courses, you go for two, three, four courses. That's pretty okay. Like give your chance, like give yourself chance for grinding. Okay, stretch yourself a little bit. Try to manage time. Run for it.
so how you started with the internship, like how you applied for it for a new person, how you gone for
Okay.
an internship? Did you go with the college internship itself, or you
I have been
searched?
in the placement committee. Served as a secretary of student placement committee last year, but I have never applied it through or even opt for placement support in through this program or the college. Okay. Uh, what I have done is that okay, I maintain a good LinkedIn profile. Thereafter, I'll just search for the jobs which are there like available on the LinkedIn. I applied everywhere where I like everywhere. It's relevant, not relevant everywhere. Just keep applying. Okay. And now in your part, what you have to be strong at first the theoretical part because you have to defend the interview through conversation. It's the 30 minutes conversation or an hour conversation or a 15 minutes conversation. You have to establish yourself that you are the one which is suited for this position at your company within that window. So just plan it very well. Even like if possible do some mocks for the interview with your friends and like Cold mailings again help a lot. So I used to do a lot of cold mailings. Even I still do a lot of cold mailings. So gather email IDs which is like randomly available everywhere and just keep shooting it down every day. Prepare a template that you are this, and you're looking for this. Use the same template for everyone. Just keep sending. Okay, out of 1,000, 10 will surely reply. Two will maybe like extend that process to interview. That's okay. If you are getting 10 replies, that's pretty good ratio. But yeah, you have to keep doing it. And then again, like career portals are there. For example, every company has their career like website. Go there, search for some relevant opportunity that suits you or that suits your profile. Apply it. So keep applying, keep applying, keep applying. Okay, if you are targeting to get internship in January, then start now. It's not that you're just sit for, okay, I have applied and in 2 days you're going to get internship. No, it's going to be a long process, like 4 months, 6 months. So keep applying. You will land your first internship, then subsequent internship will be much easier. And again, the college also brought you some opportunities. So if you have completed your diplomas or any one diploma, must opt for it, or you should opt for it basically. And they are also bringing good opportunities right now, so you can just apply there, crack the interview, and get into something. And if not, like for the internship part, if you are not getting internship, then what I can suggest you, why we do internship for exposure. Okay, now that exposure comes from project. In the internship as well, you are going to get projects. Believe in yourself. Go for some go and ask for some freelance project, and ask for those, like, not for internship, ask for those project. If they are unpaid, that's pretty okay. Okay, do those project. If they like you, they will offer you internship. And obviously, never take any employment, either it is internship or it is obviously job, without pay. But you can do freelance project because it's a one project commitment, and you are done. You also able to prove your ability to the client or to the company. And you, like, at that moment, you also able to polish your skills. It might help you get other internship at other place. But yeah, going for free internship or unpaid internship, I would not, rather never suggest. One project commitment and one project I am doing it free just to demonstrate myself, that's pretty okay. Yeah, and last question. I have some other works to complete. Sneha, it's this. Yeah, how I pronounce your name?
Snehanshu, sir. Snehanshu
Yeah,
Chauhan.
Snehanshu.
So the question is, there is some concept of NPTEL courses. What is that here?
Oh, yeah. So you are in diploma level or degree level?
I have just completed foundation and seeing the diploma syllabus for the first time.
So, okay, good. The NPTEL courses, like, you can take, I think 8 credit. I'm not, yeah, sure, 8 credits, which you can actually like do 8 credit courses there, like multiple courses which sum up to 8 credit, and you can actually credit it back in your BSc degree. Okay, BSc and BS degree, 4 credit for BS degree and 4 credit for BS degree. They maintain 2 buckets, one bucket for technical. So technical, from technical, you can take 4 credits, which will be credited in the BSc level, and 4 credits for HM or management side, or humanities, and from humanities and management bucket, which you can credit back in the BS degree. So that's the concept. It is
So
the,
we have to do it in the BSc level, not now.
you can do it now and credit it later in the BSc level and BS level.
I can do it later also.
Yeah, yeah. You can do it now, you can do it later. Later, like, not after completing your BSc. Obviously, if you have all
Yeah,
the
yeah.
credit in the BSc.
After the diploma.
After diploma, okay, you can do it along with the diploma. Okay, there might be a case when you have completed all the subjects, like maybe 2 3 projects, and there is one project left, and you have to give all the complete one time for that one specific project. Then that time you can utilize these NPTEL courses actually. So I, in the handbook, this 9.1 section 9.1 cover all those stuff, and they have, like, written it quite well this time. Yeah, and that's all. I'm not going to take any question. Okay, one question. Can you explain about the improvement if I want to take improve foundation level courses? Guys, I'm done. I will connect with you all later. Aditya.
Yeah, uh, guys, you can ask your doubt in our groups also. Our other seniors will also help you. Uh, which is he has some work to do, so let not bother him much. Thank you,
No, it's
Abhijit Bhaiya,
yeah,
for
it's not.
joining.
It's like I have actually some important. That's when I. Otherwise, I love
Yes,
talking with you all.
that's fine. Thank you very much for uh, being for this much time in the meet. Thank you. Thank you very much. And guys, all of you, thank you for joining the meet. Further doubts, we can resolve in our spaces and our WhatsApp groups. You can tag me or any other RC or any senior you know. They'll try their best to answer your queries. Till then, yeah, thank you for joining. I'm ending this meet. Okay, goodbye.